why do public companies have higher valuations? Public companies usually have higher valuations than private ones for a few key reasons. Liquidity. You can buy or sell shares instantly during market hours. With a private business, finding a buyer or even getting access to financials could take months. Transparency. Audited financials give investors confidence. Reputation and access. Public companies can attract better talent, partners, and credit terms thanks to their visibility. The higher valuation in public companies reflects these benefits. Of course, the original founders of these companies often gained the most. They took the early risks. They grew the business from much smaller valuations over a number of years and eventually sold a portion of their shares to the public at a much higher IPO price. Founding a business, along with real estate and venture capital, are some of the most common ways people become millionaires or even billionaires. But that doesn't mean there's no opportunity left. Investors in public companies can and have earned fantastic long-term returns by selecting a diversified group of well-managed businesses.